Hey, how's it going? I got some information that I wanted to get out to you, and a lot of people that know me know that I do. One of my businesses that I run is in the proximity marketing field, and basically, let me explain to you for those that don't know exactly what that is. It's basically you have the ability to place ads onto cell phones using a small device through the Bluetooth that being enabled on the cell phone, and people will be able to see your advertisement in their notification bar. You can use it for that, and also the digital business card feature. Um, well, that was all done through a Google technology. Google shut that down last week, and was creating some change in that space. And the changes that are happening are actually a improvement on what the technology was to begin with. Um, it's just gotten better. Basically, what it is that now with the changes that had to be put in place, that your ads now will be able to reach all cell phones. Where before it was just basically a Android Google technology. Now we could reach iPhones, which is powerful. Um, and also, say if you already have a device, you no longer have to. You don't have to change it. You keep your same device. The advertisement that you place on the phones before, the messages were restricted to 40 characters. There's no longer a 40 character restriction on those messages, and you use any image that you like on your ad. Like I said, we're no longer restricted to Android phones. We're reaching iPhones now, and also we can now guarantee you a number of impressions. That what basically impression is the people that will see your ad. Before it was hit and miss. There was a good number of impressions that you would get, but now we can actually guarantee you a number of how many people will see your ad. That's possible. Um, Also, we've also been expanded to whereas we can reach China now, which is powerful because that's the largest country in the world as far as people, and that's very exciting. Um, Also, no price increase because basically under the first after December 1st, your old beacons, the people that had beacons that were in this space that were using this type of advertising for their business, their devices will stop working. Um, you get in now, you don't have to worry about a price increase. You could get grandfathered in. As long as you're in before December 1st, you can get in for as little as $25 a month. And now you can place your ads through apps, through just to name a few, Yahoo, AOL, Forbes, CNN, USA Today, and of course Facebook and their companies. So to kind of explain that now with this technology, you have your device, your gem, your beacon, or whatever, and someone is near you and they're on one of these apps, your advertisement will appear on their phone. Think about that for a second. Um, Say you have a small business. Say there's a bus stop in front of your business. People wait on the bus. They're there 10 to 15 minutes. They're on their phone. 9 times out of 10, they're on Facebook. Now they will see your ad on their phone. And you can get that for $25 a month. That's more powerful than a commercial on TV, a billboard on a highway, an ad in the newspaper. Because all of those are kind of becoming obsolete because everybody's on their phones. Everybody does everything on their phone nowadays. And I'm giving you the ability to be able to reach people on their phone through apps that they already use every day. And you could do that for as little as $25 a month as long as you're in before December 1st. So if this interests you, if you have a business, you're an entrepreneur, you're looking for some form of advertising that is better than newspaper, is better than billboards, more cost effective, you can reach way more people, give me a call, 410-929-3390. Send me an instant message here on Facebook. I'll answer, respond to you. We can get you signed up. But the big thing is that you want to get in before December 1st. Because after December 1st, the price is going to go up. So I will advise you to get in now, get your message out, and reach new customers. Advertise at an affordable rate where you get high results. Because like I said, now we're going to have the ability to guarantee impressions. We could give you a set number of how many people your ad will see your ad. Again, reach out to me. Get grandfathered in. You can get in for as low as $25 a month. 410-929-3390. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.